Every year, Signal Center's Assistive Technology Services turns into Santa's Workshop for Switch-adapted toys.
Hold the tip of the soldering iron right there.
The Elves in Santa's Workshop this year are occupational therapy student volunteers from Rowan State Community College in Oak Ridge, Tennessee.
I really am excited about kids being able to use toys with disabilities, and this is also a way for me to learn how to adapt for kids, and that's our whole career choice, is to help kids.
Today, our elves are rewiring toys to make them Switch compatible. Children and adults with disabilities can attach a Switch to any of these toys. These Switch-adapted toys teach people how to control their environment and can be the first step to learning more complex skills.
Oh, you're shaking.
Our elves successfully adapted toys that have, so far, been given to over 60 children in need. Now that's a happy holiday.